Welcome guys, in this video we are going to unbox Snapmaker's 50-year gift. It is really good package and everything I like about it, so we will take a look at what is inside step by step. Okay, this is the box. I'm going to open it. It's a high quality box. I think I'm going to keep it. I like the colors in here. And the first thing we see is this one, the opening, and it's well packed. Let's put this one to the side as well. Okay, the box look like this. What I see is we have a bookmarker, so where you left off on your book. This is a bookmarker. We have a nice pen. I feel like metal, it's heavy. It's normal pen, but it's good to have. The other two things, refrigerator magnets. So this is Snapmaker, years on it, 2016-2021. This is another magnet. There's no Snapmaker on it, but it's like a big machine that there's an input and output. And let's put this one down. We have a buff like this, and I think I can wear it like this one. Nice one. I feel good, like it's like smooth silk. And let's look at what else. We have a puzzle. Yeah, we have a puzzle. It's mostly comes mostly completed. So since it's mostly completed, I can quickly assemble it. Yeah, this is the fastest puzzle I have ever done in my life. I'm going to show it in a close look as well. The puzzle was nice. It finished very quickly. And next up is stickers. We have lots of stickers of Snapmaker. And some of them do not have the writing of the Snapmaker on them, but they're good. Like they're spacecrafts and all those kind of stuff. So you can use it if you don't want to have the label of Snapmaker in there, but that should be okay. I really like this book. There's a nice book with the empty pages inside. It looks very professional. And there's a package at the back of the book that you can slide in some stuff. The opening of the book again has the Snapmakers Make It Happen Innovation Center shapes. Smooth. And I think the most important part of this book is this electronic screwdriver. I love this one. This is my favorite. So it's like a water bottle. There is a hook in here that you can hold it. It opens like this. And you open it, this is the top. This is fully metal. It comes with the USB charger cable. It's charged with USB-C. And this is the baby. And there's this tip over here, and you press it and there's an on-off button. Like you do it off and there are 3 torque settings on it, which is great. And inside this cap itself there are long screws that you need, and you plug them in and you turn it on. I think the best electronic screwdriver I ever had. I love it. And you can see the most common sizes of the screw tips. Smells good too. I like it. Yeah, this is the end of the unboxing Snapmaker's 50th anniversary gift. I hope you guys like it. I really love this box. It is kind of a little expensive, but I think it's expensive because of this electronic screwdriver in it. And I love it. It's worth for this. This feels quality. I will continue using this in my videos. Perfect. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If so, click the thumbs up button, like it. And if not, don't worry about it. But please feel free to comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Okay, here is the close look to the Make It Happen puzzle. It's very simple. I think it's like 100 piece, 200 piece, something like that. Close look to the pen. Close look to the bookmark. Here are the boxes of the puzzle. Here we have the magnets, stickers, and the notebook that we have. Let's open up like this. This is the cover of the box. Here is our screwdriver's head with all the tips inside, long and nice ones. And here we have the screwdriver with on-off function and different torque settings. And there's a light on it. This is the cap where the screws get, screwdriver tips get in. Let's off it. This is the cover of the box of the screwdriver. It's metal. And here we have the USB-C cable, and the rest is the box.